All right, today's work is all about squirrel damage repair. We had some squirrels on a house here, and they ate the gable vents, which is up along the top where the air comes in and helps the roof vent. They tore the slats up, as you can see. They're gone right now because I popped them out because they were all chewed up. They're here on the ground, all busted up. And what we do is I will take a long board and make my own. So now what I'm going to do is put those back up in there, and then I will paint them because the customer was kind enough to leave me some paint. After that, we'll screen over these gable vents with 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch galvanized hardware cloth. What that's going to do is allow the house to continue to vent the way it should, but the squirrels won't be able to chew on that and ruin them anymore. People say, well, why don't you just screen it on the inside so the squirrels can't get in? Well, that's true, they won't be able to get in, but what's going to happen is they're going to damage the gable vent again, so you still have to repair that. By screening it on the outside, that damage doesn't happen again, and it's virtually invisible once we're done. I'll actually put some pictures up of the finished work after, but that's what we're going to do today. Have a great day, and if you guys have holes in your house, give us a call. Thanks.